Hi, this is Phil, a librarian at the Yonkers Public Library. I'm going to show you today Google Meet and some of the things that are available to you uh, in setting up your video conferencing session or joining a session. So to use Google Meet, you can either set up an account by going to meet.google.com and putting in some information about yourself, including username and password that you would develop so you can log in to your Google Meet session. But you can also get to it using your Google account. If you already have, like, say, a Gmail account, you can access Google Meet just by using your Gmail username and password. And then if you're going from Gmail, you could go up to the menu icon on the top right and just select Meet, and that will bring you right over to Google Meet. Um, Now, if you've been invited to a video conferencing session already, if you've gotten the link in your email from the person who set up the conference, you would go to enter a code. You can put in the code and then click join, and that will bring you right into to the Google Meet session. If you're creating a meeting yourself and then inviting other people, you would click on new meeting. If you prefer to have your, say, your camera turned off, if you're in, for example, the Google Chrome browser, you can access control of that before you go into your meeting right at the top. Okay, so you'll notice right now I have both the camera and the microphone blocked. And then when you go into the meeting, you can adjust with what you're comfortable with. Um, you can also manage that using the settings icon on the top right. So once you go into your meeting, I'm going to click Start an Instant Meeting. Okay, I can also schedule a meeting by going to Create a Meeting for later or schedule on Google Calendar. I'm going to start the meeting so you see what it looks like. I'm going to get a notice that my camera and microphone are blocked. I'll just dismiss that. Okay, and I'm now in the Google Meet session by myself. There's nobody else in here, but I can invite people using the information over here. So I'm provided with a link and also a dial-in number if people want to call in, but they're going to need that PIN number. Um, I'm in. I'm ready to do the session. You see the number of participants is right up here. If I want to chat, if I want to type out text, okay, I can do that here by clicking that icon. Okay, activities will give me some more information. Okay, if I want to split the conversation into a breakout room, which is a little bit more advanced, but that option is available to you as well. So if I want to turn on my microphone, and if you're talking to somebody else, I highly recommend that. You just click on Turn on Microphone. And to turn on the camera, if you want to be seen, just click on the camera icon at the bottom. There's also meeting details are right below here. So it's the same information you would see up here. And finally, if I want to leave the meeting, okay, I would just click the telephone icon. So this is basically like hanging up. Okay, so if you are the creator of the meeting, like I am here, that will end the meeting. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I'm going to leave right now. That will bring me back to the home screen. Okay, so this has been a little bit of information on how to use Google Meet. Thank you for watching.